Hello, welcome to T Colony Media. Today we are going to learn how to navigate to University of People main page website. So as you can see now, I've logged in to the page, and as a student, and it will always look like this one. So this is the dashboard. As you see, we have home, online campus, share your story, my courses, payments, academic achievements, self-service forms, admission, career service center, and useful links. So when we come back here and we click on my courses, so we have register for courses. Every term you will need to register for course. So when first you are a new student, your advisor will help you to register for your course in the first term. So the second term you'll be required to register for your course. So you always come here to register for your course. So here, that's where you will manage your courses. So whenever you want to ask for a leave from the university, you always come here and request from here a leave. So when you come here to payments, so here, that's where you will see, we normally see the payments due, upcoming payments. That's where you will always check from. Then payment history, whenever you want to see the history payments, you always come here and check from here. Then confirmation payments, you always check from here also. So when you come to academic achievements, so when you click here, you see we have academic progress. So whenever you want to see how you are progressing in your studies, you always come here and check how progress you are going. So we have grades, we have degree edit report, we have transcript request form, and we have graduation request forms. So when we come here to grades, wait, as we see the page is loading, we have to be patient. It is loading. So whenever you have finished like any course, you want to check your grades, you always come here to grades and check from here. So far as you can see, the total statistics, the CGPA, I have 3.4, 3.34, I have 6 credits. I've already finished 2 courses per now. And you will see the history. The term, it is November 2021. I got 2.64 GPA and 3 credits, and 3 credits were passed. And term September 2021, I got 4 GPA and 3 credits were taken, and I earned 3 credits. So you check from here index and an official academic record key. You check it from here. So when we come back here to self-service form, so when you want to request for transcript, you always come here to request it from here. Then when you want to request for confirmation of enrollment, you also request it from here. Then disability accommodation request, you also request it from here. Then the electoral information request is also from this here. Change of program, so whenever you want to change, let's say you are doing computer science, you want to do business administration, you can come here and change the program. So whenever you want to withdraw from the course, you can come here and withdraw from the university. So when you come here to admission, we'll check admission. Let's say you studied some courses from another university and you want to transfer them to University of People. So you will come here and transfer credits to University of People. So when you come here to career service center, you see about the career center, and you will see tools and resources. You will see career development courses, and you will see jobs and internship that University of People have for you from here. So when we come to useful links here, you can see we have different links. For example, we have University of People ambassadors, we have surveys, we have University of People Facebook page link, we also have University of People YouTube link. So also they are useful, you will need them, they will help you. So when we come back to the main page, it will look like this one. Here you always see the message here from your advisor. For example, for me, I have good luck in your studies, your hard work will pay off. So here this picture is for a robot. So whenever it is also here, whenever you have any question you want to ask, you can click here and ask a robot. It will help you to answer those questions you have. So when you want to go to classes, you can click here and go to classes and log in to your class. So here is academic achievement, online forms, any form you want to, like request for leave, like his transcript request, you can have those links from here. Then we have advisor names from here, you can see. Then when you click here, these three dots, you get contact to your advisor. So the name of your course you are taking, it is always displayed from here. As you can see, I'm associated degree in computer science, and so far I've covered 11 weeks, and the payment, it is already paid. And whenever it is in green color, that means you have already paid. But when you see it is in red color, that means there is amount due. So when you come here, this is the current courses I'm taking, November 2021. November 2021, programming fundamental, code it is CS1101, credit 3 final exam was done on 6 January 2022. Then registration status, it is already graded, and the payment, it is already done. So when you come to future courses, January 2022, you see different courses have already registered. We have PSYC 1504. It needs 3 credits, and the final exam will be on 24th 2022, and the status, it is already registered. We have programming 1, CS1102, registered course status. Exam will be done on 24th March 2022, as you can see. So when you come down, you see the past courses I've done. September 2021, online education strategies, how I scored, and for the statistics, we see people, University of People student around you. When you click here, you see people around you, where they are located, which country they are from, you'll see from here. So when we come back here up, here, you see University of People time. Remember, University University of People week starts from Thursday and ends to Wednesday. So Wednesday at 11:55 p.m. That's when it ends. So whenever you have to follow this time for your assignment, so that you avoid deadline, to keep time also. So when you come here, you will see University of People calendar. University of People calendar. Then here we have notification. Then we have messages. Then we have social media like Facebook from here. So far I have no. So when you come to these three dots here, when you click here, you see personal information. So whenever you want to change your information, like let's say you want to change your email, you always come here and check your email, you check your phone number, any detail you change from here. So whenever you want to change your picture from here, this picture, you will always come here and change it from here. You want to change your password, you change it from here. We want to log out from the page, you always log from here. You sign out from here. So let me if you have any question, or you want me to do a video about any topic, please comment down so that I will see the video you want me to make for you. Please don't forget to like and share to your friends, and also don't forget to like or to press the bell button so that whenever I upload a new video, you are the first to see it. Please, thank you very much. We meet next time.